sand on my toes, the salty air where the wild wind blows, footsteps fading in the golden light, the waves whisper secrets to the night. Seagulls above drawing lines in the blue, a sunlit painting with an ever-shifting hue. Shells in my hand are treasures untold. The ocean sings as the day grows old. Oh, the waves come crashing, they call my name, carving the shore like a reckless flame. The rhythm of life in the tide's embrace. I find my heart in this endless space. Shadows grow long while the sun kisses the sea. The water hums its eternal decree. Foam at my feet where the boundary fades. A melody plays as the day